Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to talk about theorems. So what theorems actually are? Simply to say, those are definitions, but you could write your definitions in many different ways. But with new theorem command in Latex, we could actually wrap our definitions in order to look professional. We could actually make our definitions to look like we would expect in some books or documents. So in order to create theorem, only thing that you actually have to do is to call command new theorem, and there are few ways to do so. Well, first I'm going to use this one, so with two arguments and one option box. So in first argument you are going to provide a name for your command, let's say T1. Then you want to provide title for your theorem, let's say we are going to call this one something like this. And what is this third option? It's the way we are going to enumerate our theorem. Let's say I'm going to enumerate in chapter way. I'm going to show you later on what that is. And now, in order to present that theorem, we actually need command begin, then theorem name, also end, same way. And now we are going to provide actual text for our theorem. Now I'm going to use mathematical definition. E equals mc squared. Like this. Save it. And let's see what we have. You see, formula for energy 0.1. Einstein's most famous formula is E equals mc squared. But you see, in order to get this properly enumerated, we actually need chapter, because we are calling chapter in here. So I'm going to create one chapter. But if you use this chapter calling with star, we are not going to succeed to enumerate this in proper way. We are still going to have 0.1. So you would have to use this regular chapter definition. So we are going to call this chapter theorem. Save it, and now we have our formula properly enumerated. And now let me show you that other way to create new theorem. Now we are going to use this one. So first we have first argument, then option box, and at the end second argument. So with first argument we are actually going to provide theorem name. With second argument we are going to provide the title, same like in previous case. Like this. And in option box we are going to type in what way our formula is going to be enumerated. So I want to continue same way like with previous formula. So in this case I'm going to type T1. This means that this T2 formula is going to continue enumeration type of previous one. So now if we call begin and end of T2 like this. Now I'm going to change this text. Once again, mathematical definition. P equals U times I. Save it. Okay, what's wrong? Yes, T2. And save it again. And now we have both definitions. You see, because we use the same enumeration type, our second formula it's turned to be 1.2. So in this way you could easily follow a label and enumerate every formula in your text, or any other kind of definitions for that matter. So guys, I truly hope that you are going to find this tutorial useful, so please subscribe and see ya!